Hey guys, how's it going? Another day. It's windy today. A little cool. So, yeah, as you can see, 568's getting ready to leave. Well, of course, my phone stopped charging. I'm having issues with my little charging block.
Yeah, 4784 west. Enter CTC. Slow to clear. Stratford west.
Now, take a bit to send it. There we go. So, yeah, 568 has arrived, done its switching, and now they're taking off. So, yeah, no, I know how I said when I moved into my new place there would be a lot more videos coming. I just, just been kind of having a, not really the ambition to do much. So. But, yeah, so it's the same power as usual, 4784, 7025, and 7083. But, and for 581, it's now 4095 and 2073. So that's pretty neat. So, well, maybe I'll move over. I don't know if it's this block, cord, or the phone. It's not wanting to work. We're not. Oh, notification. We're just going to set it right off. So, by the looks of it, at 568's got a new person on with them. I'm guessing. And City races it. Good job, boys. Good job. Fixed their ditch light, and by the looks of it, they fixed that bottom light. I don't know, it's not as bright. in that new rail.